So welcome to the first episode of The Clueless Pirate. This is my sailboat. She is a Carter 30, built in 1971. She's been on the hard for probably over 3 years now. Nobody's been inside it until I bought it, but for at least 2 years, and now I'm planning on doing a refit. Welcome to the very first episode of The Clueless Pirate. What is these episodes going to be about? It's going to be about DIY boat refit and much more. Probably a lot of laughs and failures, and really just documenting how I'm going about it, and basically if I'm doing anything right, or if I actually can even get this monstrosity to stop leaking, to be honest. I was going to start off with doing a boat tour, but there's not much to see on top, on the deck. So what I was thinking is we could start below deck. We'll look at the saloon, the galley, the nav station, and go from there. As you can see, this boat is a disgrace. I don't even know where to start. We've got the galley here, nav station. That was the nav station. I've taken it all apart. The equipment was kind of outdated. A little backstory of this boat is the owner's not really well. It's only had one, the second owner. The previous owner, due to ill health, hadn't been on the boat for about 2 years. So it'd been abandoned for about 2 years. A few leaks, a few bit shady type of craftsmanship, if I'm honest. I mean, there's just everything. I mean, I think, yeah. So basically what I'm going to do is do a DIY refit, which I have no carpentry experience, no joinery experience, no boat experience. But we'll see how we get on. It could be interesting, but we'll see.